I wanted to give you guys a quick peek of our free shack at the dump. This is our book section, kids' toys over there, plates and dishes and cups and glasses here, bakeware, cooking stuff, holiday, Christmassy stuff there, picture frames, lamps, stuff over there, lots and lots of stuff in here. So much, and I've been going through for 2 days looking for things, and I found a few things, but I mean boxes full, and this place is always hopping, so it's always hard to get in here. I don't know what that is, but it's a bunch of cool beads. I'm gonna grab those. I have this little pile here. I'm gonna grab these little things and this little sleigh. Plates galore. These are plastic, but they're really pretty. Tins, tons of tins in here. Lots and lots of stuff. Vases, bowls, anything that you can think of. I really like that metal teapot over there, but it's got the handle broken off. So nothing I can do about that. Those lamps are really beautiful. Very old looking. But tons of stuff, guys. Tons of stuff. It's pretty fun going through all this stuff. There's all the kids' toys and things like that. This little dog keeps barking. Books. I'm loving the books. Lots of kids' books. Lots of books for adults. Cookbooks. Computer books. Lots of stuff. So I got a few things here in the back of the Jeep, just a couple things. I grabbed a box and threw some stuff in. So I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Just a few things today. Yesterday I got quite a few things. I've already washed them. I'm not sure if I've boxed them up yet. So if I haven't, I'll show you those as well. All right, I found this little tiny picture frame, but I thought it was really cool. I like the flower and the picture and the flour sack and all that stuff. I thought it was a really cool picture. So I got that. I got this stitched little picture of a church. I thought that was beautiful. So I got that. I got this little sled. Wow, I'm not finding the words today. I got this little sled. I'll probably paint it up, get it ready for Christmas. I got this hanger. I thought this was cute. I think it needs to be washed, or I can put something else on it, but I like these little hangers. They go good in the booth. I found one of these. It's a little metal candle holder, and it looks hand painted on there. Feels like it's hand painted, but I always pick the metal stuff up. I like that. Couple of candle holders. I always like to get these, paint them up black. You always go good with black in selling in my booth. You saw these earlier. I got these beads. I do not know what they go to, but they look really cool, so I'll figure it out. They may be a necklace or something, but I like it. I got this little sugar dish. I got these salt and pepper shakers yesterday that go to it, and I didn't see this in there, so I'm glad that I went back today and picked that up. I got this little Loomco China little pitcher and, I don't know, sugar dish, a little creamer. I don't know, I just thought they were really cute, so I snagged those. Got this old metal matchbox. Definitely old. It's got a great color to it. I'll just clean it up and then somebody can use that. Got this for my granddaughter. She loves these in her little window in her room, and they're the little solar things, so when the light hits it, when the sun hits it, let's see, will it work? Let's turn this way. Yeah, he bobbles. Look at him go. Oh, he's cute. She'll like him. She has a little fish that goes around in a little bowl that I got her too. Welcome to our home. Love grows here. Another cross-stitched piece. These are always good. Clean that up and it will be great just the way it is. I found a lid to something. I didn't find the something, but I always use these lids for, you know, a glass jar or anything. Always love finding those. I thought this was really beautiful. It looks like a hand-painted window with the flowers on it, and it's very fall colors. I'm trying to get it so there's no glare, but it's not going to happen, I guess. But I thought that was really pretty. I'm going to put that in my booth after cleaning it up. This I like because I like the base that this is on. So I'll probably take all of this other stuff off and save it for something else. And this is metal, but these are wood. So I'll take them off, save them for something else, and keep this just plain. These are good for around candles, to add addition to candles, some pip berries or some greenery or something like that to go around them. So like a candle ring. But I like picking these up, and then you can sell them in the booth for a couple bucks, and that's always good. So let's see, that's everything in that box. And then for my friend, this was from yesterday. I found her this, I think this is a hat stand, and she does a lot of old vintage hats and things like that in her booth. So I grabbed this for her. And also, I don't know if she'll want this. I know she wants the hat stand, but I also found this cute little hanger. So unless I can find something to hang on that, that'll go to her too if she wants it. But that's what I got today. And if I have this stuff together to show you what I got yesterday, I will show you. I'm not sure if I do. I can't remember if I tagged it and put it away. I'm trying to be very quick about tagging, getting things cleaned and all that. So here's the little salt and pepper shakers that I got yesterday, and here's the little sugar container, which I thought they matched perfectly, but I guess not, but they're close enough. This has got some chips on it, a little bit on the back there, but I think those are so cute and cleaned up. Somebody might want those. All these are still dirty. I haven't cleaned them yet. They were in my sink to be cleaned, but I got these stoneware dish safe food salt and pepper shakers. Feels like there may still be salt in it. I mean, salt or pepper in them. And then this creamer that matches it, of course. Thought this was really pretty. So it's from the Food Network. Not really old, but I thought it was a really pretty pattern, and some, you know, just kind of simple, but also you could put it on your table for a holiday or whatever, and it would be pretty. But I've definitely got to get them cleaned up because they're pretty dirty. I got these two candle holders. This one is kind of weird. It feels like, I don't know what it's made out of, but it doesn't feel like glass. It does have a chip in it right there, but you can't really notice it. Just turn it this way. Just thought it was really pretty colors. Good fall colors. And then this one is ceramic, pottery, I should say. And it's really pretty. I love the colors in it, really pretty. It does have a candle in there, so I'm gonna have to get my heat gun and heat that up and dig that out and clean it. Make sure these are all nice and clean. They haven't been through the wash yet. I had them in the sink. I also found this blanket. It's like a baby blanket or a lap blanket. It's really pretty. It's got all the fringes down at the bottom. Just a little small blanket, so it's almost like like a baby blanket. But it's like it's brand new. It's beautiful. It's like a light yellow color. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but I just thought it was really, really pretty. And you know, cold weather's coming, so I figured somebody might be interested in that. I also got this basket with the stuffed fake apples in them, and I'm going to hopefully take this insert out and the apples and paint the basket so it's not pink, so it's more of a fall color, maybe woodwick or green or something that looks more fall. And this is really cute. I love these little apples too. They're just so cute. I picked up this hen too. I got this at the Free Shack, and it's really cute, little stuffed hen. So I had to grab her, of course. So I'm trying to be really proactive about when I bring things into the house from wherever, yard sale, thrifting, the free area at the dump. I'm trying to get proactive about getting it cleaned, tagged, and put in its tub that it needs to go to whichever booth it's going to go to. So when I talk about, if you go over to Repurpose My Way and I'm redoing or upcycling something on there and I say, I got this at my Free Shack, now you know what I'm talking about. I've showed it before. I did a whole big thing. For a while it was like a pop-up tent that we had, and over one of the winters caved in, totally demolished, and we didn't have anything for like 2 years. People would stick stuff out by the dumpster and you could go through that, but it was out in the open, out in the elements, a lot of stuff you don't want there. And so it ended up getting thrown away, typically. And then one day I showed up and there was this building, this brand new, beautiful building that had a few tables in it, and they were getting more, and they were adding to it and piling things up and organizing where they wanted things. And for the most part, it stayed the way they've done it. I've never seen this so full, I don't think. This is massively full. A lot of it needs to go through. And when I have time, a lot of times I will start to go through it. The video that I showed you, I hit it really quick when nobody was in there but me. Before that, there was a ton of people in there. And so I kind of hung around and waited and was like, are you guys going to leave so that I can video a little bit? Because I didn't want to get them in it. You know, I don't want to make anybody feel uncomfortable. So finally, there was a quick second there that nobody was in there. But as soon as I shut the camera off, cars pulled in and people were piling out. Now, yesterday when I was there were people there. And I kept going out the back door to get to my car because there was just people everywhere and I couldn't get through. There's 2 little lanes that you can go down and they were packed. Packed with stuff, packed with people. By the time I turned around and was gonna go back in, more people had packed in there, and I was like, you know what? I got a pretty good haul today. I'm gonna be thankful for that. And I'm just gonna go home and I can come back tomorrow. So, which is what I did. Tomorrow is today, and here we are. So, I picked up a few more things. I'm really glad I found that little sugar dish to go with the salt and pepper shakers. What else? That's just it. That's the Free Shack. That's the free area. It's a take it or leave it, I think they call it. I call it the Free Shack or Faux Mart. We all have our names for it, I'm sure. But it's been a wonderful place for me to pick up little trinkets and odds and ends, and sometimes furniture. I have picked up tables, end tables, lamps, bureaus, and we've fixed them. I brought them home. My husband's helped me. We fixed them. We put backs on them, on the bureaus. We've sturdied them up. We've glued them. We've fixed the drawers so that they go in and out so easily, and then we can turn it around and flip it, and it's not thrown away. It's not gone to the dump. It's not gone in that dumpster and been thrown away. And somebody has a beautiful, like new bureau, all freshly painted and clean and fixed, for them to take home and use. And that's just really awesome to me. I know a lot of you like seeing the chickens, so I couldn't leave without showing you a little bit of the chickens in the chicken yard booping around, and I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.